Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez. At this moment, I am here at the Santo Niño Barbershop located here in Bangko Street, Davao City. The landmark of this barbershop is fronting Leo Revita Salon in NCCC Bolton. NCCC Bolton. So, sa mga suki sa Santo Niño Barbershop, please continue to patronize them, continue to visit this barbershop, and pagitaan ninyo si Obet Trabero. Actually, dili lang si Obet Trabero ang magaling din nga barbero. Napay daghan, napay lain. Pareho ni brother, bro. Kasi pangalan mo, bro?
Ronel.
Ronel. O kani siya, gwapo ni mga barbero po dire. O sige, invite nil sa inyong mga friends dire sa Santo Niño Barbershop. Tell them to visit you. Oh, daghan sa dire si Obet o si Ronel. Oh, Ramel? Ranel. Oh, Ranilo. Try to visit them. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for always following me. To all my YouTube friends, to all my YouTube subscribers, Facebook Reels, followers, please continue to follow me. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. God bless everyone and happy weekends.